everybody, nice that you're watching another video of mine. As you could have seen, I left the Sachsenring and I already did a little bit more than 4-hour driving. I'm almost at Paderborn and decided to call it a day. I'm getting tired and yeah, after the long weekend it's difficult to stay focused, and that's very important obviously when you're on the road. So yeah, I pulled in another Hof, and tomorrow should be easy to go first to Hogeveen, my hometown, and then park the truck in Assen, my home GP. So well, join me then. I see you guys tomorrow.
So it's 6:30 and I just woke up because of the rain, and it's pouring down here at the moment. So just, yeah, look at this.
As you could have seen, I parked the truck yesterday in Assen already, and well, because it's my home GP, I wanted to get to my house as quickly as possible and take a nice shower and have a proper dinner again. And yeah, now I'm back in the truck, as you can see. I'm driving to the truck wash. Hopefully there's still some space, I don't know. I wanted this morning off, so yeah, let's see if there's some space for me. Luckily, because I live here, I know some truck washes nearby. So yeah, fingers crossed if we can get a place, and we can get cleanly parked at Assen. So let's see. Okay, so that's the Friday done. Well, what's Assen without a little bit of rain, right? So a little bit of rain this morning as well. And well, now I'm going home. That's one of the advantages I have when I'm doing this race. I can sleep at home. So well, let's go there then. Hi, so it's Monday morning and I'm gonna park the truck today. As you can see, like pretty much everybody left already, but I decided to go home first and then take it easy on Monday morning. So let's do this. Here, to leave the Assen circuit you have to go to a tunnel, and for that I have to lift the rear a little bit. So let me show you how that goes. Otherwise we're gonna touch the rear end. And well, as you can see later in my video, it's gonna be very tight anyway. So here I'm gonna lift the rear as much as I can. So that's done. So now, yeah, you can. It's not really easy to see, but the rear there, all the way up, and hopefully we don't touch the floor. Well, that's it then. We parked the trucks and they're gonna stay here for a little over a month, and then we go to the Red Bull Ring. But for now it's holiday time, so I hope you enjoyed this video as well, and well, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.